have wasabi.
So if you want to know how to slice tuna, go to Grace's farm. Forest Farm.
Yeah.
In Quezon.
Sinuluan, Laguna.
Oh my God, I'm saying all the wrong things. And look for Thai.
Yeah.
And here's Grace right here.
And we have wasabi!
Woo! Something I'm not gonna eat!
You can eat them.
Yeah, just the wasabi then. Charles, go there. I'm gonna take a selfie. Go there, man. Go there, beside Thai.
Hi, this is Farming with Tyron and Karen. Hi, good afternoon. This is Farming with Tyron and Karen. So ngayon meron kami bisita, mga friends namin ni Karen, si Charles and Celina. So we're gonna prepare 3 ways dito, no? So number 1, yung panga at saka yung ulo, gagawin naming sinigang na native. Itong buntot, iihaw namin sashimi, and ihaw also the belly. Okay, so let's start na. Una-una, of course, always remember, kailangan na kaagad yan, disinfected. Okay? So, disinfected. So, ngayon magsimula tayo dito sa paggupit ng hasang. Yep. So, kaya natin pwedeng ilagay ito tupak. Yung, meron ba tayong plastic dyan na matatapunan nito? Kabila. Okay. Tapos ulo. Malaban. Okay. Gaya ng may gloves, pus. Paano pagtanggal ito, Tupak? Ha? Huh? Wala si Wawi. Was. Mamaya na yan. Wawi na yan. Punas to. Huwag kang pampunas. Tissue. Kuha. Punas mo na.
Hi, we're gonna watch.
Okay.
Were you making a video?
Yep.
I'll pop in and say hello.
Uh-huh.
So we're making a vlog also. So share, say hello, say hello. If not, just
Ito, pang-ihaw natin. Pang-ihaw?
ihaw.
Dyan.
Ay, I'll check if we have wasabi.
Uh-huh. So, kailangan, talaga, disinfected yung... Okay. Yun yung pangsigang.
Tapos, ano ba yung menu na sinabi natin?
Kailangan matalas talaga yung kutsilyo. O, Tupak, nag-i-improve pa ba? Okay. Eh. May dagat. Okay, ito, pang-ihaw na to. Kung may chopping board, Tupak. Laging malinis para Ihaw. Yan na. Okay.
We have wasabi.
So if you want to know how to slice tuna, go to Grace's farm. Forest Farm
Yeah.
in Quezon. Look for Thai.
Sinuluan, Laguna.
I'm saying all the wrong things. And look for Thai.
Yeah.
And here's Grace right here.
And we have wasabi!
Woo! Something I'm not gonna eat.
You can eat them.
Yeah, just the wasabi then. Charles, go there. I'm gonna take a selfie. Go there, man. Go there, beside Thai. That's so cool. Grabe, grabe.
Kuha ka ng pinggan, tupak doon para mailagay
Maging
natin.
asawa mo ang talented ah. Nagtatanim, tsaka naghihiwa ng isda, at nagsa-chop ng wood. Yung sa TV. And on the next day, I say,
What is that, Stepford Wives?
Gumawa ka ng ano, Karen? Gawa ka ng tawag
"Want
dito?
freshly baked cookies." I'm like,
Ng wasabi. Si Mabel.
and then I'll just buy cinnamon one. Sabi niya, no, I want you to bake. Sabi ko, okay, take your pick.
Meron tayong
When I take
chopsticks
your
yan, tupa?
Time zone.
Wala. Yun ang kulang, chopsticks.
I am
Okay.
not gonna waste my time doing that.
Karen, make ano na, para you can try na.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
This is ano, the fresh, closest from, na para kan galing Japan, you know. Like, kasi kanina lang to na,
Ma'am, may bowl dito, ma'am. May bowl.
May bowl dyan.
Yan, tikman natin.
oh. May kikuman dyan.
Rose, do you eat sashimi? Do you eat sashimi?
Yan. Andun yung pang sigang natin, yung ulo. Tapos ihaw.
I know who eats sashimi. Rolo, Rolo, where are you? Grabe ah. Galing ah. And it really looks like he's enjoying doing this.
This is what you call husband material.
Hey, stay there, I'll take a picture.
Yun.
But he's also husband material.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
He'll just get a yaya for me. Alam mo ba, Karen, nung nawalan ako ng yaya, oh God.
Umiyak siya.
I cried.
Talaga?
Yeah. No,
She
we
tried 1
okay,
month.
I tried it for a month. Sabi ni Charles kasi nung umalis, sabi niya, oh, punta ka na ng agency. Sabi ko, no! I got this! Eto na, slowly. We are using paper plates na every day. So I don't want to wash. Bringing the laundry to the laundry shop. After a month, like, I snapped. He just saw me, I was just crying.
She just
Like,
cried.
I looked at him, like, like why? Tapos sabi niya agad.
Na-burn out.
I didn't even tell him why. Sabi niya, punta ka na sa agency. Punta ka na sa agency. I'm like, "Yeah, punta na ako sa agency."
We don't have kikoman.
We have?
Okay.
Wala akong nakita dun.
Doon, wala.
It's also like this.
Okay.
Anyway, it'll do.
Ganda ng laman.
Ganda, no? Ayos na ba, Wawi? Kita mo yung pagkakahiwa ko.
Kasi why? We have the proper knife this time.
Yeah, and that makes a really big difference.
It makes a very big
Julian
difference.
pala, she cooks so well.
Really?
We'll invite you to the house. She cooks
Oh,
really,
sige.
really, really well.
Yeah, si Julie.
Yeah.
Okay, so I know Charles likes wasabi because I saw how much you put kanina. same tayo.
Oo nga.
Sa pampinga, tupak. Bawi. Yun. Ito na yung perfect pangkat na to. Hindi lang matanggal yan ha, pero
Pintilping kasi yan.
You know, I really can't. Like the idea, like the idea that it's like
bagong harvest eh.
But it's so good.
Tsaka pag kita mo yung ano, dahil sa talas ng kutsilyo, yung itsura niya parang makinis.
Oo nga.
something that doesn't need chewing.
Ano yan?
Nothing. That's not to be repeated on camera. I didn't
Kayo ha, pinagtatawanan nyo na kaming dalawa ha.
Girl talk. Don't worry about it.
Handaan nyo na yung pangsigang. Baw.
Okay.
Yun ang masarap.
Yun o. Okay na lahat yan, pangsigang. Tapos itong mga iba-iba, pang ihaw.
Big.
Go, Charles.
Ilang kilo to?
Nasa 10 kilos yan natin.
10 kilos.
Itong sambulo.
Yum.
Dapat ngayon, okay na, kuha na kayo.
I'll watch
Maybe.
you.
Sige.
I'll watch you.
Should taste it, baby. Hindi na itong pangsilaw. Parang kulo.
Papaluto mo kay Mabel yung, si Mabel, ay,
You won't trick me.
papaluto mo kay Mabel yung ano.
Different.
It's a
Oo.
trick.
It's different if it's good. Okay na po ito, sir. Tatagtarin ko na.
Oo, sige.
Selena.
Okay na yan, ganyan karami.
Okay na po ito.
Tapos, ikaw magluto nung ano, wawi, yung puset na ginata.
And the wasabi actually helps to like kill off any
Ah, that's,
bacteria.
ano.
Aside from the, it tastes good.
Tsaka this one, lahat, ano talaga to, ano to, talaga sanitize and ano, itong,
I think I'm the only person that doesn't eat sashimi. I'm the only person I know that doesn't eat sashimi.
parang ito wawi, ano, parang magandang ano tingin mo, ihaw.
Oh, maganda po yan, boss.
That's good.
So, isama mo yung balat sa ilalim.
Oh, sige po.
Oh. That one I'm gonna eat.
Puro ihaw yan.
Oh wow.
Iba-ibang cuts na siya.
Before Ty's mom was here, and then he was cutting up the sashimi. She and I were just standing there as he would plate something. Kinakain namin.
Actually, magandang sashimi ito eh. Pero
Hindi na po
nakatama dito eh. Ano yan, kasi buntis nung ano eh. May anak nung
Sino?
nahuli. Itong tuna. May anak siya, so... ayan.
Asan
Kayo mga anak niya kasama. Sabi ko, dapat mura yan kasi anak yan eh. Ayaw.
Gamit niyo po pa ito, boss.
Hindi, pwede na sa'yo na. Tupak ano mo yung mga langaw. Sa sashimi.
Yeah.
Ito, kunin natin to sashimi na to. Maganda to, mataba. Ito yung chan.
Oh yeah.
Kaya lang, pag mga... Kailangan nasa mga 15 to 18 kilos eh. Para yung meron kang otoro, yung malambot talaga na chan. Ito, masarap tong... Ito, puro sashimi na. Ouch.
All around tong tayo. Karen,
Talagang 100% probinsyano.
ano,
That's why.
yung bayad na ibibigay mo dito.
You are sure to survive with this man. Actually, that's why it's good. People like, probably si Charles like Thai. You can survive anywhere.
Ay, sigurado si Charles.
Kaya nga eh.
Oh, he can survive with all his men, so. Do this, do that, do this.
Yeah, but to get to the point where you have those men.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, gawin natin ito masarap na sashimi.
Can you taste the difference, maybe? Like, that part, if it's like the belly, like what you said.
Yes.
You can
You can taste the difference.
You were trying to trick me.
No.
No.
It's different.
This one kasi like it's the fat.
So
The
it's more
belly.
fishy.
No, it's
no.
more melt in your mouth.
Yeah.
So it's more fishy.
It's different, no?
Hindi ko nagaganda kasi sayang eh.
Oo nga.
So, kunin na lang natin, masarap yan eh. Kasi pagka ginandahan ko yung cut, maraming masasayang.
There, grab
No,
that.
ikaw muna.
Yeah,
No, don't trick me.
please.
There, Charles, try it. Tell me if there's a difference. Looks the same to me.
Oo nga. Diba?
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Take it.
Karen, you know what he did to me before? There was this movie, and he's like, "Oh God, you have to watch this movie. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Like, you have to watch it. You have to watch it. Kulit niya. You have to watch it." I'm like, I don't want to watch it. He's like, "You have to watch it." Ito na ngayon. I watched it. Pagdating sa dulo, I'm like, this is the worst film I've seen in my life. He's like, "Ha, that's why I made you watch it." Bawi us. He wanted someone to watch the movie because it was so ugly, and I wouldn't watch it if he said it was ugly. Like, oh my god, this is like such a good movie. I'm so bad. It's so bad. So whenever he's, I'm like, don't trust you anymore. Don't trust you.
This one.
Bawi. At the end of the movie, I'm like, he's like, midway, I'm like, I don't want to watch this. Like, it doesn't make sense. And he's like, no, it's getting to the good part. It's getting to the good part.
Pahingin pa isang
Until
pinggan.
I finish it. When I finish, I'm like, Charles, it's the worst movie ever. He's like,
The taste is really different.
so you guys just like take videos, Karen, and then you don't talk?
Sometimes.
No, well, usually we talk naman. Thai talks.
Yeah.
Hindi kasi tahimik lang ako eh.
No, but she's been doing, recently.
But lately, like, you won't be watching my videos.
Kasi, yeah, you can be like... So in Grace's farm, we also serve sashimi, tuna
Yeah.
sashimi, with
Yes.
chef. He was in Japan actually for 20 years. So
Yeah.
He came back now and he knows how to pick the tuna.
Yup.
And this one will cost you only, if you come here,
Not
what
for
do we say,
you.
like 600 pesos. No?
This one?
Yeah,
Yeah, more or less. That
Yeah.
one, yeah.
600 pesos. So look at all the thick cuts of tuna right there. And this one is the belly part, and this one is the fleshy part, and it looks the same to me. But it's different now.
It is.
This is what you call a trick.
It's not a trick.
They're trying to convince me to eat it. Nope.
Okay. Bigyan natin sila.
Yeah, it's so syrupy grilled.
Yeah, this one for grilling. Ito, para sa inyo. Ito pa.
Roast. Try it.
I'll make
Bigyan mo ng wasabi sila.
Yeah.
Okay. So Karen, paalam na tayo. Thank you very much sa ano. So we're
Oh. Alam na sa video. Oh.
okay, thank you very much. We hope you're gonna like this one. Yeah. Yeah, so thank you very much. Always remember, farmers are heroes. We love you all.
Farmers are heroes.
Farmers are heroes.
Farmers
Eto.
are heroes. Yes.
Lagyan nyo lang ng toyo. Tsaka, Karen, gawa mo sila wasabi. Tapos ito, ihaw.
A marine hero.
Yes.
That's the ending. Oh my gosh, so fun.
Nice.
What?
Ito pang ihaw natin. Kainin nyo na yun.